So I learned to these agents here, and because we're starting with a logo, we'll use the logo agent, but again, we need a prompt for the logo. So we'll come here, we have a prompt generator agent, then come back here and pick a small description about these district thrift. So I'll come here and tell my prompt generator agent to create for me a prompt file is design used to generate a modern logo for drip district thrift shop. Add a small description about the drip district. So let's have the prompt first.
So, can you see you're typing? Okay.
Yeah. I think I was not sharing that tab. So yeah, I've said first you come to, I think I can just go back that everyone can see. So I need to log out and log in back again. So you can see my screen now. So let's log in. Okay. So we said you start with the prompt generator. Or again, if you have already prompt, you could just direct to the agent. But for me, because I don't have a prompt, I'll come here and use the prompt generator here to get my prompt for the logo. Okay, we have it. Let's see. First is the unique and trendy nature of the store with a combination log that includes both text and icon, considering vintage honey. The icon symbolizing blend of fashion. Okay. Designer that captures fashionable, urban, utilize custom typography style. Modern fixing. I think we can go with the first one. So I'll go to the now logo agent and generate. So let's see what we'll have. Should have three variations of the logo. So generating. Let's give it a few minutes. It's done with the first variation. Oh, wow. This is a good one. See the second one. Thrift. I really like the first one, but let's see. Maybe it's saving. Still saving the best for the last. Let's see. Wow. Drip district register. The first one, drip district. I don't know. Maybe you can help me choose because I already like the first one. The third one also. It's a good one also. I think you can go with the first one. We'll save this to our brand settings because now, and I think every brand starts with having a logo. Of course, a logo is not a brand, but a brand has to have a logo. Save this to our brand settings. Then you can just confirm if it's there. You can see it has picked the logo and the colors. I already had this one, so we can now save everything, then come back. And now let's create a social media post for the same. Of course, I'll start with a prompt because I think getting the best out of these tools, you have to have a very structured prompt. So I'll come back here to this page and I can pick one of these post ideas and we can have this one. Then we'll come back to our agent and tell it create me a prompt I can use generate a viral social media post for district thrift shop district thrift shop focusing on outfits under 1,000. Can have these as some tweets, funnel shots, these and t-shirts. Let's see. I think we have the prompt. Start with create a trendy Instagram feature collage of flannel shirts with this t-shirt. I think you can go with the first one. Then you can tell it don't add the logo, the image on the post. Let's see what we'll have here. taking a few minutes. Okay, it's done. Hey, still the spotlight for under Kenya shillings 1,000. I think this is a good one. I like it. I really like it. I give it like an 8 or a 9. So so that's how easy it is to to create some of these social media posts. So try the Ndovesha AI, then sign up or sign in if you've not, then you'll able to be a marketing agency on your own. You just need these agents and yourself a few hours in a day, and you're able to produce so many marketing assets. So I'll take it back to Joseph.